Next, I'll introduce copper tube processing to you all. Fully automatic U-tube cutting machine, 952. The raw materials used are all 9.52 inner threaded copper tubes. Compared with the fluorescent tubes available on the market, it has increased the cost significantly. Fully automatic copper tube cutting machine. It is specially processed for the core components of two-piece products. Intelligent equipment. Automatically straighten, set the length, and cut the coil copper tubes, and bend it into a U-shaped tube. It has achieved fully automated continuous production. It has significantly enhanced production efficiency. Consistency with the product. Automation avoids human error. Ensure that the size of each U-tube is uniform. 10. The feeding speed can reach 10 seconds per meter. 3. The cutting speed only takes 3 seconds. Fland customizes personalized products according to customer requirements, such as the condenser of the air cooler of the compressor unit, according to customer requirements. Customize standard cold storage, quick freezing cold storage, flour cold storage, containerized cold storage, new energy cold storage, and various types of cold storage. 100 Fland products are exported to over 100 countries and regions. Provide energy-saving and efficient products for a wide range of customers. Meet different usage scenarios.